Hello everyone, welcome to our class. In today's class we are going to see about the Hindi alphabets part 2. Before watching this video we will recommend you to watch the part 1 video and then continue reading this video. Now come on, let us start. Here is a small recap of the part 1. It is A se anar and A se am. We have already learnt this in the part 1 video. Now we will continue to read. I se imali, imli. I se imali, imli. I se ik, ik. I se ik, ik. Now let us try to fill few exercises. The coming page, the first letter is blank. Try to fill the first letter of the given word. This is your page. Try to fill the first letter of this given word. Pause the video and try it. I have filled it. It's I-ma-li, imli. I se imli. This is your page. Try to fill the first letter of the given word. Try it. I have filled it. It's eek, eek. E se eek. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you like our videos, subscribe to our channel and help us to make more videos like this. I will meet you in the next video. Until then, bye, take care, see you.